Today, what we're gonna learn how to make is, let's see if you can guess it. If any of you guys said Moscow Mule, good job. That's what we're learning how to make. Super simple, super easy. I love ginger, anything. So this is a good drink. It's a very popular vodka drink. It usually comes in one of these. I don't know, people talk about some scientific reason of why Moscow Mules should be served in here. Blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's to keep it cold. One time I had this guy refuse his Moscow Mule because it wasn't in a copper mug. And I'm like, dude, if you don't take this drink out of my hand and drink it. Restaurants will have these in stock and then people steal them and then there's only like 3 left in the restaurant. And then everybody wants to order one and then we don't have any more. And then people get pissed off at the bartender. I mean, anyways, what we're gonna need is vodka. Any type of vodka is good. Ginger beer. You can get this at any grocery store or convenience store. And a lime. That is literally all you need. It's called ginger beer, but no, there's no alcohol in this. It's a bubbly, fizzy drink made with ginger. Fever Tree is the best, in my opinion. All right, so let's get started. If you have a straw or a stir, go ahead and stir it. If you want to make it pretty, you put a little garnish. Lime wedge, lime wheel. And there you have it. There's different versions of this drink, so you can switch it up a little bit. There's something called a Mexican Mule, which is the same exact thing except you use tequila instead of vodka, which is really good too. Or a Kentucky Mule, where you use bourbon instead. Ooh, you can even put gin, use gin instead. I forgot what that one is called. So there you have it. That is how you make a Moscow Mule. I hope you learned something new. It's very easy, just do it, try it, and let me know how it went. If you guys want me to make a video on whatever drink, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal.